Is Questrade a dream job or a nightmare? You are probably watching this because you're considering a job at Questrade, or maybe you're just curious about what it's like to work there. Well, let's dive in. Questrade, the Canadian online brokerage giant, has been making waves in the financial world. But what about behind the scenes? Is it a place where dreams are made, or is it a corporate jungle? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about the company culture. They tout themselves as a place where innovation meets collaboration. Sounds good, right? But is it true? We'll be exploring the real deal, not just a PR spin. From what we've heard, there's a mix of positive and negative experiences. Some employees rave about the open-minded environment and opportunities for growth, while others mention a more rigid, corporate culture. We'll be digging deep into both sides of the story. Next up, work-life balance. Can you actually enjoy life outside of the office when you work at Questrade? We'll be checking out the company's policies on vacation time, remote work, and overtime. And we'll share real-life experiences from current and former employees. Because let's face it, a good work-life balance is crucial for overall job satisfaction. Of course, we can't ignore the compensation and benefits package. Does Questrade pay well? Are the benefits worth it? We'll break down the salary ranges, bonuses, and perks. And we'll compare Questrade to similar companies in the industry. Because let's be honest, money talks. Career growth is another important factor. Can you actually climb the corporate ladder at Questrade? Are there opportunities for advancement? We'll explore the company's training programs, mentorship initiatives, and promotion policies. And we'll talk to people who have successfully advanced their careers at Questrade. But it's not all rainbows and sunshine. We'll also be discussing the downsides of working at Questrade. What are the challenges? What are the drawbacks? We'll be transparent and honest about the negatives, because every job has its cons. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, we'll be interviewing current and former Questrade employees. We'll also be analyzing employee reviews on platforms like Glassdoor. And we'll be checking out the company's social media presence to see what employees are saying about their experiences. So, is Questrade a good company to work for? By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea. We'll provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. But remember, everyone's experience is different. What works for one person might not work for another. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.